Managing hand arm or whole body vibration is never ending, and whether you're new to it or an old hand, there's always room for more knowledge and information sharing. So, join me for our next webinar on the 19th of February 2025, where we are going to be the ones sharing by looking at the very latest in hand arm and whole body vibration compliance. We are going to do a little refreshing of some of the basics. There's always room for that. And if you're new, it'll give you a good head start. But then we'll get straight into the latest state of play and what you should be considering as part of your compliance strategy. We're going to delve into the statistics, look at some of the guidance and play with some of the latest monitoring and assessment kit. So book on, buckle your seatbelt and join me on the 19th of February at 2 p.m. GMT via the technological marvel that is Microsoft Teams. You will find the link in the description to this video. See you there!